What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back in the Jeep SRT today. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's like 90 degrees. I'm already barbecuing. I was gonna do the oil catch can install today, but I figured I already did 2 billet videos last week. A third one would kind of be like a little overkill, so maybe I'll save for next week. And plus, I got something in the mail this week that I've been waiting for a little while, so I finally got it. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. We're gonna put it in the car today. I've never done it before, so you know, you'd be coming along for the ride with me. Hopefully you know, we don't face any hiccups or stuff like that. But as you know, when you get a Jeep SRT, you get this beautiful carbon fiber trim, but you also get this, I mean, it's not ugly, but it's not that cool at the same time. It's kind of just like, I don't know, it's, I don't know, 3D kind of feeling plastic trim on like the door handles, and you see it around here, over there, you see it over here by the shifter. And it's cool and all, but I want to add a little more flair in here. I plan on getting a carbon fiber steering wheel in the future, so I kind of want to dress up the interior a little bit. So Dyna Performance, I've seen them on Instagram a bunch of times. They do this real carbon fiber stick-ons, I guess, kind of like what, but it doesn't seem like it's cheap. Kind of seems like it's pretty good material. So I ended up ordering it. I have it in the trunk. I'm gonna be installing that today. I don't know exactly what pieces will be covered. I'm hoping, I know I definitely saw a piece for this. I believe there's a piece for this around the navigation. I don't know if they have the door handles and the air vents, so I might have to look into another. Oh, actually they don't, because I ended up going on Amazon and buying just like a cheap Chinese company's carbon fiber AC vent cover. So I kind of want to compare the two, see if you can really tell a difference or not. So you know what, let's go check that out right now. All right, here we go, guys. I don't have my girlfriend here today. She's usually my cameraman, so shout out to her. Unfortunately, she couldn't help me today, so I'm on my own. So here we go. This is the package I got from Dyna Performance. Check out these carbon fiber pieces. I'm sure off the bat you can already tell where some of them go. But let's check that out, man. Let's see if the camera picks that up. There you go. It looks pretty good. Let's let me show you this real quick too. So this is made in China. This is just got it right off Amazon. It I mean, you can kind of tell the carbon fiber doesn't look amazing, but it looks like it might blend in pretty well. So let's kind of see, let's kind of compare the two. Let me see how I can do this. So here we go. So the one on the left is the Chinese one that I got off Amazon, and then the one on the right is the real carbon fiber that Dyna Performance makes. And you could tell like a little bit of a difference, but honestly, yeah, you can kind of tell a little bit. But honestly, once it's inside the car, hopefully you can't really tell at all. Let's check out what this Dyna looks like compared next to the real carbon fiber in the SRT. Man, today is hot. It is hot. All right, so let's compare the two. So you see the real carbon fiber trim. This is the one from Dyna Performance. I'm gonna kind of put them up against each other. So this one, I believe, goes just like that, actually. So it goes right there. It looks like it fits perfect. You see, I'm trying to see the two next to each other. I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I mean, up next to each other. So here we go on the passenger side. I'm putting them up next to each other. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, nothing's ever gonna be exact, but it does look pretty good. So you see, it's real carbon fiber, and then it's covered in some kind of material, and then you got the 3M tape on the back. They also give you those little N94 primer pens. If you watched my when I put on the mid spoiler, it came with those also. So here you see them here, the primer 94 pens, to kind of make sure this stuff never falls. It always stays in place. So I'm gonna put my GoPro on top of my panoramic roof so you can kind of see my whole install, and then I'll just kind of go through it with you guys. All right, so I got the GoPro running. I'm kind of just testing this out, and the fitment really is not great. I mean, the quality of the product is good, but you can kind of see like it doesn't cover the whole thing. Like I kind of wish it went all the way to the edge. So this is gonna kind of look stupid. It's gonna be carbon fiber here, and then it's just not gonna fully cover the whole silver part. I don't know how they did this, but this just does not look the greatest. And I'm kind of disappointed. And it doesn't really line up too well either. I mean, I don't know. It's so hot out today. I had to turn on my air conditioner. Even my car's broken. I had to. It's so hot. So honestly, man, bro, I'm a little disappointed that this doesn't fit well. Like, you can kind of see on the side, you're gonna see some of the silver, which, I mean, I just didn't want to take the whole thing apart and take all these pieces out and hydro dip them. And, you know, if later on I want to just go back to the regular silver part, you know, obviously I wouldn't be able to do that. And I was thinking about maybe wrapping them, but I kind of want just an option where, you know, I can kind of use these pieces and just kind of put them on and it would look good. But you know what, I'm gonna do it anyway. Alright, so first piece is on. I lined it up the best I could. I'm just kind of rubbing it down, making sure it sticks really well. Looked like it lined up pretty perfect around everything. So I gotta give him that. That's, you know, I gotta give him credit for that. But the only thing is that you can kind of still see, like what I was talking about. You still see the silver on the side. It's a little disappointing, but I like the way it looks. I mean, the carbon fiber looks awesome. It looks really good. It's just the fitment. I mean, they should have had it come all the way out to the edge and all the way around. I'm a little disappointed with that, but let's see how the other pieces fit, and you know, keep going. Alright guys, so the next piece I was going to put on was this one. I'm definitely a little disappointed now. This one doesn't look like it fits at all. Look how tall this is. I mean, even if you bend it, because obviously this is slanted, look how much higher it is than the lines. This needs to be cut, and it's even too big. Like, oh man, it's just, even if you bend it down, it just doesn't fit right. That's pretty disappointing. It's just way too big. Maybe it's just not meant for an SRT. I mean, I don't know what the regular Jeeps look like. I don't know. This still just looks too big. I mean, I can't imagine it's too different. That's just really disappointing. All right, let's move on to, I guess, the navigation screen. Let's see how that one fits. fit. Like this one fits over here on the door. That one actually lines up pretty well. Of course the navigation didn't fit. This part didn't fit. I don't know, I might have to actually go the cheap route, which I didn't want to, but unfortunately that's the way it's probably looking. So this one fits pretty well on the door handle. Well, where the door buttons are, that one actually fits pretty nice. It looks good. I'm just, oh man, I just can't believe it doesn't cover around here. This is really, it's really crazy. I really had high hopes. I was really expecting a lot from this. But I guess let's just finish installing some of the other pieces. And yeah. A couple of pieces did fit good. These vents. This one's all right. I mean, it's probably similar, fitment that you'd probably get off of something on eBay or Amazon. So, I mean, this part's all right. The vent over here fits. So here's the Chinese ones I put on. And you honestly really can't tell that much of a difference. And it was a lot cheaper. The fitment on these are actually pretty damn good. I mean, this literally covered the whole vent. This is more Dyna performance over here, over here. Over here they actually fit good too. They definitely had this part down. What do you call it? Where the window buttons are, the locks and everything. I got it on that side, and I put the two in the rear. But I'm just really, I can't believe this wasn't executed better. And the way they did it was they were covering this part, not the actual silver part around it. So I might just really look on eBay again and find an alternative. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I'm a little disappointed. I really had high hopes for this Dyna Performance carbon fiber stuff. I know it's like real carbon fiber. It's just the quality is amazing. Like you can feel it, the quality is good. It's just unfortunately the fitment wasn't on point. And so I guess I'm probably just gonna go with some cheap Chinese alternatives maybe. Or I don't know. That's why I didn't want to use the primer pen, just in case I want to rip these off later on. I can, and you know, I'm not going to be stuck with any kind of interior damage. But yeah, I mean, I figured I'd be the guinea pig. You know what? Us cheap SRT guys, we're always looking for stuff for our cars, and I really thought it was going to be something that was worthwhile, but unfortunately it wasn't. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.